Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Boston Local, and long-distance movers near me. Local movers like Boston Local TM. Movers should be hired for local moves. They are professionals and know how to handle your belongings in a safe manner during the relocation process. Beyond that, they know the best routes to make relocation faster and smoother, and they know which policies affect relocation and how to navigate them. They also have the experience needed to handle the challenges that can arise when moving within the town. You may think that conducting a relocation by yourself is cheaper and that all local movers do is reduce the stress. But when you consider all they offer, you'll see that the pros of using them outweigh the cons. Moving across longer distances typically puts your belongings at more risk of damage. You must dig to verify that the moving company has insurance coverage. You should also find out about hidden charges before hiring anyone and request quotes from different companies so you can choose the cheaper option and not spend more than your budget. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Boston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.